REFCL stands for Rapid Earth Fault Current Limiter, and they're installed at recommendations out of the Victorian Bushfire Royal Commission. REFCLs are installed in high-risk fire locations all across our power core network. Essentially act as a giant safety switch, limiting a voltage within milliseconds to limit the fire risk to our customers when a tree, for instance, falls on our line or a conductor falls to the ground.
The REFCL program is about rolling out new technology across the network to make communities safe, which is a state government initiated program to deploy specialist technology that greatly reduces the risk of electricity assets starting bushfires. A highlight for me was knowing that we've made a difference to communities across the state.
When the REFCL activates for a permanent fault currently, we are losing the entire feeder. Now this may be many customers and it may be a long stretch of line. These new REFCL compatible ACRs will be placing along the line in sections, enabling us to break up the impacts of these faults and only lose the customers within the impacted section, and also allow us to restore customers as quickly as possible. My understanding is this is the first trial of this in the world. We've trialled it over the course of this year and had some successful operations already. So we're looking at rolling the first tranche of 25 ACRs on our worst performing areas. This should deliver a real great customer benefit in terms of reliability over the course of the next year. This is really important for the power core customer. We want to be at the front line of fire safety, but at the same time we want them to experience a good, reliable supply of power, and we believe this is a good step in the right direction for achieving that.